Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So today, what we are reviewing today is a MUJI brand, and they have recently released utility pouches in different sizes, 3 sizes as a matter of fact, large, medium, and small. And I was really impressed by the construction, the fabric they have utilized, and this is what I'm talking about. So this is wrinkled nylon, and they come in 3 different sizes, and they are large, medium, and small. It's used wrinkled nylon, and this is blue in color, dark blue. And I was really impressed by these, and I thought maybe it's good to have a conversation with you guys on this, because I think it holds a lot of value, and they're really not that expensive. I'm going to talk about the specs and everything when we go to overhead camera, but I think this is a great product. This is fantastic, and this reminds me of something. The wrinkled nylon which they have used here is very similar to recently Evergoods released a kind of similar fabric. Of course, that will be more expensive, but because MUJI is they, it's bulk fabric, and they make a lot of products all over the world, so the cost difference between Evergoods and MUJI will be very different, but looks very similar and have a very similar construction. So let's talk about this 3 pouches in our overhead camera. Keep watching PackWiseGear. Hello guys, welcome back. So what I have here is a wrinkled nylon fabric utility pouches by MUJI. So there are 3, there's large, medium, and small. So I did a kind of custom pack out so you guys can see it. So let's go over them. So I have a small one here, which is about 4.3 inches by 2.3 and 1.4 inch. This looks like exactly like CAP0.5 by Evergoods, which I have right here. So if you compare, see from the side, looks very similar. That's kind of unique thing. So the small one I have here is this dark bluish grayish color. So I'm going to put the specs of all these 3 in the up in the caption of the video. Has a loop to kind of attach this to your backpack. So I did this as a small charging kit. So let's open it up. So kind of have little gussets and a mesh pocket in the middle. So I have put here a charging cable from Cool Show. So it spells at KUXIO. I have put there 3-in-1 charger, travel charger. So this is MagSafe for your watch and for your AirPods. And then I have Anchor, and this one is about 45 watt charger. So this is 25 watt, and this is 45 watt charger. So now if you buy this from Cool Show, it does come with their own power plug as well, but I used Anchor in this case. So nice little pouch. You can put your AirPods in there. You can put your meds in there. For example, I have Ayagi med capsule, nano capsule, can put in there, and maybe it will fit my EDC pen as well. Just an alternative kind of a setup here. Another pen, no, on the EDC pen, and goes in there. A small gaming console, kind of fits. Yeah, it will fit. So different options. You can have just little small pouch. I think it's great for everyday carry. And the cost is only $9.90. And right now, MUJI has a free shipping going on their website as well. So nice little cool pouch. Okay. So this was the small size. Let's look at the medium. So one of the problems I can see is make sure the gusset is really inside to close these zippers, because otherwise they will get stuck in the cloth. Okay. Let's look at the medium size. So this one I have in a small tech kit. This is about 5.9 inch by 3.5 and have 1.8 inch total capacity at the bottom of the pouch. Let's open it up. Again, similar gussets. This is like kind of packed out for my daily office charging kit and different options here. I have my laptop charger. I have my Mac multi-hub. I have my AirPods. I have my glow-in-the-dark charging cable. I have a small charging cable as well, just for my cell phone. So this is how it looks from inside. So this nice depth. This is about 2 inches. Has another cloth pocket here, and then another similar on the other side. So it's very roomy. See, I got all this stuff in there, and there was still a little bit of room. It's made in Vietnam. It's MUJI. It's a Japanese brand, MUJI, but they make products all over the world. And wrinkled nylon, I really like it. It reminds me of that fabric which Evergoods released about 3 months ago for different color options for CAP1, CAP2, and Civic Tote. All right, so that was the other one. Now here's the large option, which is about 7.1. Width, and height is 4.5, and the depth here is 2.8 inches. So I prepared this as a Dopp kit. Now look at this. This is kind of goes like a triangle shape. Have an exterior pocket. Kind of opens it up like this. This is actually a Dopp kit. It's a utility pouch also, but definitely a Dopp kit ideology. I got a toothpaste in there, perfume from Versace, hair comb, hair gel, deodorant, shaving foam, and on this side I have my razor, and I can put my toothbrush in there as well. And then this becomes a nice Dopp kit. I like these utility pockets, really nice. They have 3 slots here, 2 slots at the bottom, and then 1 small slot here. And this kind of plastic covering helps your toothbrush to be on the other side. So really like this Dopp kit. Can be used for Europe travel, because you don't have a lot of things you can carry because of the size of your suitcase and the weight issues all over in small airlines. So this Dopp kit can really help. So this is it, guys. So I really like these pouches, and I think it's worth talking about them. And icing on the cake, I just noticed this is RFID protected. All of them, even the Dopp kit. Well, they're not selling this as a Dopp kit, but they have RFID lining in between, and then wow, this is unbelievable. That's very awesome. All right, pretty cool, guys. So I'll put these are the feature set cards that came with the pouches. I'll put them up so you guys can see it. Well, this is it. This was just a quick video on MUJI utility pouches, wide opening pouch with wrinkled nylon, with really nice fabric. Thank you for watching, and keep watching PackWiseGear.